that,
No,
but
no,
it's
not
like after
you. Hold
everything
on,
I've
I'm gonna
been
let you
through.
finish your point, and I'll let you finish your point. Guys at home watching, if you're fucking, once you'll know when your girl's mentally checked out. I'm saying they'll entertain dudes, they'll fucking even cheat on. They don't give a fuck because once when their mind's gone, the vagina still could be there, but once when the mind's gone, the heart's gone, they're done.
Oh my god. He's absolutely right! Oh! He just blew the case wide open. I fucking love that this dude immediately interrupts her for the millionth time just to make like an absolute nonsense point. The vagina might still be there, but the heart's gone. The soul went to hell, and now she's cheating on you there. Right?